Hello everybody! Today I'll be showing you how I made my mental health awareness bracelet. For this tutorial you will need at least 3 cotton strands, a piece of tape, and a safety pin. So let's get right into this tutorial. For this tutorial I will be using all 10 strands of the colors we will be using today. So first off, we're going to divide them into groups of 3. If you happen to have all 10 colors, like I do, there will be a group of 4. Once you have your strands divided, we will begin braiding. So first off, I like to start on the left, so I'm going to bring this group of strands into the middle. Try to keep these as flat as possible. The right side is now going to come into the middle, crossing over what was on the outside. The strand that is now on the left, which was in the middle, wants to go back to the middle. So we're going to cross it back over. And the process repeats. All the outside threads will want to go into the middle at some point. And all the outside threads will cross over, so that the middle is always under. Once your bracelet has reached your desired length, you're going to tie it off in a knot. There might be a loop or a button. Thank you for joining me for this tutorial. Hopefully this helps you braid more bracelets and maybe hopefully teach someone else how to braid as well.